we're doing other stuff. We're going to complete the equation of the line. So we're still doing y equals mx plus b. They just don't give us very much information, and they highlight everything for what anyway. All right, so we have these 2 points, and the first thing we want to do is we want to find our slope. So we're going to find our slope, that's m, and we're going to say that this is our second point, this is our first point. It doesn't really matter as long as you keep your x's and your y's together. So my y2 is -4 minus my y1 is -5. My x2 is also -4, and my x1 is -6. So -4 minus a -5, so that becomes a +5, that's going to be a 1. And -4 minus a -6, that's going to become a +6, so that's 2. So my slope is 1/2. So y equals 1/2 x plus b. Okay, so now let's plug in a point, and it doesn't matter which point you use. You can use the -6, -5, or the -4, -4. I'm just going to use the -4, -4 because that looks like fun. So y equals -4. I'm going to plug these in, right? So -4 for my y, 1/2. X is also -4, so I'm going to plug in a -4 right there, plus b. And I'm going to take this over here where we have a little bit more room. -4 equals 1/2 times -4 is -2 plus b, and add 2 to both sides. -4 plus 2 is -2, and so my b is -2, and my total equation is y equals 1/2 x minus 2. Alright, I might not do very many of these because they're boring. Okay, so we're going to say this is point 2, this is point 1. 8 minus a -6 over 8 minus 6. I think they did this to make you think, oh, it's 1. But it's not, because 8 minus a -6 becomes 8 plus 6, which is 14. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So our slope is 7. So we have y equals 7x plus b. Let's plug in 8 for both. I think we did 0.2 last time. We'll do 6 and -6. So -6 equals 7 times 6 plus b. 6 times 7 is 42. So let's subtract 42 from both sides. And b then equals, okay, -6 minus 42 is -48. 42, 7 times 6 is 42. 42 minus 42 is 0, so -48 equals b. And y equals 7x minus 48. Okay, I'm not going to explain these anymore. I'm just going to go through them. Let me use this as 2 and this is 1. So 6 minus a -2 and -1 minus 7. That's 8 over -8. And remember that it doesn't matter where the negative is. It can be up here, it can be down here, it can be in front. The whole thing's negative, so this is the same thing as -1. So my slope is -1. And so y equals -1 plus, 1x plus b. You could just write this as -x. I'm going to plug in the first point, so that's -2 equals -7 plus b. Add 7 to both sides. B equals 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So y equals -x plus 5. Oh, y equals.